Good afternoon to all of you. History class 12th. Themes in Indian history part 2nd book है ये, religious histories, the Bhakti Sufi tradition यूनिट, और इसका क्वेश्चन है लैंग्वेज एंड कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में, और टेक्स्ट बुक का ये 9वां क्वेश्चन है, एनालाइजेस विद इलस्ट्रेशंस why Bhakti and Sufi thinkers adopted a variety of language in which to express their opinion. तो भक्ति मूवमेंट और सूफीज़म, जो सूफी थिंकर्स थे, उन्होंने लोकल भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया। क्यों? द भक्ति एंड सूफी थिंकर्स मेड यूज़ ऑफ मैनी लैंग्वेज टू एक्सप्रेस देयर आइडियाज़। तो उन्होंने बहुत सी लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल किया अपना विचार लोगों को पहुंचाने के लिए। दे यूज डिफरेंट लोकल लैंग्वेजेस आल्सो, कंसिक्वेंटली द भक्ति एंड सूफी कल्ट्स बिकम वेरी पॉपुलर अमंग द पीपल। इसलिए वो बहुत पॉपुलर हुई, लोगों ने उनके विचार सुने। भक्ति मूवमेंट, द भक्ति मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड इन साउथ इंडिया। भक्ति मूवमेंट स्टार्ट साउथ इंडिया में हुआ by Alvars and the Nainars in the 16th century to reach the hearts of the common people. The Alvars and the Nainars expressed their view, imparted their teaching in Tamil. तो तमिल भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया भक्ति मूवमेंट में। Then Nalaira Devya Prabandhan of the Alvar and the Tivaram of the Nainar were both composed in Tamil. तो उन्होंने तमिल भाषा का प्रयोग किया in the 12th century in order to give new direction to Virshavya movement in Karnataka. Baswana made use of the Kannada language. Many saints were born in Maharashtra during the medieval period. तो मिडिल पीरियड में बहुत से सेंट्स महाराष्ट्र में पैदा हुए। These included Sant Janeshwar, Sant Tukaram and Guru Ramdas. The main reason for their popularity was that they preached their teaching in the Marathi language. उन्होंने मराठी लैंग्वेज में अपना विचार लोगों तक पहुंचाई। संत ज्ञानेश्वर had composed Janeshwari, and Sant Tukaram had composed Abhangs. Similarly, Guru Ramdas had written Das Bodh in Marathi. In Assam, Shankar Deva had used Assami. His main composition was Kitang Ghosha in Bengal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used Bengali. In Gujarat, Narsimha Mehta played praiseworthy role in the development of Gujarati literature. He wrote many books regarding the Krishna Bhakti. Ramananda, Surdas, Tulsidas, Kabir made use of Hindi. तो इन्होंने हिंदी भाषा का प्रयोग किया। मीराबाई wrote her hymns and devotional songs in Brij, Rajasthani and Gujarati. In Punjab, Guru Nanak Dev Ji and his successor adopted the local language, that is the Punjabi, preached their teaching. Guru Granth Sahib was also compiled in this language. तो गुरु ग्रंथ साहब ने पंजाबी भाषा का प्रयोग किया। Sufism, the Sufism who came from different part of India used local languages to leave the magical impact on the minds of people. Local languages were used in the Sufi Samaj. In Delhi, people Chishti, Silsa conversed in Hindi. Sheikh Farid wrote his poem in Punjabi. He wrote devotional poetry. Sufism came different parts of India. Local language to leave magical impact on the minds of people. Local language were used Sufi Samaj. In Delhi, people Chishti Silsila conversed in Hindi. Sheikh Farid wrote poem Punjabi. His devotional poetry has been concluded. Guru Granth Sahib, some Sufi saints wrote long poems in local language. They were called Masnavis. He expressed ideas of divine loving using human love as a allegory. For example, Malik Muhammad Jaisi composed a love story titled Padmavati. This story revolved around the romance of Padmini and Rajasthani, the king of Chittor. These trials were the symbols of the journey of soul towards the divine. South poetry composition were often recited in Samaj at the Khanqahs at different genre of Sufi poetry was composed in and around Bijapur. These were impact short poems written by Dakhni and variant of Urdu. These were composed by Chishti, who lived in the region in the 17th and 18th centuries में थी. चिश्तीज उन्होंने भी अपनी सिंपल भाषा का प्रयोग किया. These poems are often used by women while doing household jobs such as spinning and grinding grains. Some older compositions were in the forms of Lurinama and Shadinama. It was possible that Sufi of this region might have felt inspired from the pre-existing Bhakti tradition, which is exploited from Vinchanas of the लिंग्यात्स which are in the कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज. तो इसी के साथ एक क्वेश्चन यहीं पर समाप्त हो. नमस्कार.